Janell Stephens, CEO, creator, and founder of Camille Rose, and we are here for another sip and style to introduce the Rosemary collection. I cannot wait for the ladies to try it, but first, y'all, we have to toast it up to Camille Rose. Hey, Miss Tyler, I see you still got your champagne. Let me take that. Do you see all this beautiful red luxurious hair? Tyler is a wash and go girl, right?
That's right.
You know, if you have a color in your hair, deep conditioning is so important.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
And the good thing about the 5-minute hair mask that I'm going to use on you, the Rosemary collection, it will not damage your color treated hair at all. I have washed 4 different hair types and textures, and we're doing 4 different styles. The featured collection, of course, is our new rosemary infused collection. Everybody loves this rosemary ingredient right now. It acts as a natural minoxidil, so it really gets the scalp stimulated, strengthens the hair, the follicles. It tingles a little bit. And I love a shampoo that gives you that tingle. For some reason, I'm like, okay, it's really working. It's stimulating. I've washed the hair, I've conditioned, I did deep treatments, and I sat them underneath the steamer just for that extra love, extra spice. You know how Camille Rose do. I have Tyler underneath the hair steamer with the 5-minute rosemary strengthening hair mask. And I also put the rosemary oil drops on her scalp. So Tyler, I will let you sit here for 15 minutes. Just relax and I'll be back. I got another person to style. So your hair to me seems pretty fine and straight already. So are you telling me that you would come back on top with a chemical? Wow.
Yes.
It's something how back in the day we wanted our hair as straight as it could possibly be. Now we are embracing our natural textures, our natural selves, our natural beauty, bearing it all. We're learning how to style our hair with natural ingredients, and Camille Rose is here to help. The good thing about the rosemary oil drops is that you can use this on your hair, like before you shampoo it. Use it as often as you think about it. The ladies and their hair, after using this collection, I love it. The texture of the hair, it left a great shine. When we used the hair mask on them, the hair instantly felt stronger. When Brianna came in, her hair was pressed out, and now you can see her curls bouncing back. Look at this wash and go. Look at this twist out. We did a braid out. All different types of textures in here. The Rosemary collection has blessed your tresses.